my side. When I've got my favorite planner, everything will be alright. Writing down me to-do, sticking down my stickers, writing down all my tasks. You know, planning in my planner helps me stay on track. Planning in my monthly, planning in my weekly, coffee right by my side. When I've got my favorite plan